Crostal Craft Film channel. Today we're going to be unboxing another headphone for piano, for a keyboard or piano. So here we go, we just got it, and it's a JVC brand. So this is the headphones, as you can see. So let's open it up. This is the HARX 500 model, dynamic sound stereo headphones. I'm going to give you a quick preview of the features in the back. So direct sound delivery system, twist action structure, and anti-resonance structure. Okay, so it came with this manual. Got 1 year warranty of parts and labor. And so now I got it out. It actually came with an extra this thing for bigger ports. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's for so you can use it on keyboards. There's the ports and how it will fit on your keyboard. It comes with a really long cord, as you can see. It's pretty long. It looks very long, and the headpiece has a like foam here, so it's comfortable, and as well as it has really big earpiece, and it's very soft. So this only partially like twist, as you can see. It won't go all the way. It partially twists for comfort, but it doesn't go all the way. So it's your basic headphones, and I've heard a lot of good reviews about it, and it's not very expensive. So I'm gonna link the product in the description, and I hope this video helps, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.